You have a great idea and a solid plan, but attracting seed funding in 2026 feels impossible. What if the key wasn't your deck, but your personal brand? For many investors, it's a deciding factor. This isn't just a feeling, it's data. A huge portion of your company's reputation is tied directly to you. And the most powerful way to build that brand at scale is through smart media outreach. Next, we'll show you how to use media to tap into investor psychology and deploy surprising tactics to get funded. So we've established the founder's brand is a deciding factor. But what tangible effect does media coverage actually have? First, media attention builds market legitimacy. This directly impacts your ability to attract top talent, partners, and customers. Each positive mention acts as a third-party endorsement, creating a flywheel of credibility that investors absolutely notice. And the effect is proven. After VCs invest, their companies see a massive 60% jump in news coverage. Here's a secret. This media also helps the investors. More press is linked to more successful exits for them. This means investors aren't just looking for a good company. They're looking for a good story they can amplify. But how do you turn general buzz into an investor's check? What's the single most powerful emotion you can trigger? It's FOMO, the fear of missing out. Investors are motivated by the fear of passing on the next big thing. Your media strategy must amplify this. You do it by telling a compelling story, showing real traction, and providing social proof. Every article and interview must build a sense of urgency. It signals that the train is leaving the station with or without them. Related to FOMO is social proof. When credible people validate your startup, it de-risks the decision for investors. Pause and ask, is your messaging just selling a product? Or is it selling a can't-miss opportunity fueled by real momentum? Let's get practical. The ultimate social proof is a credible lead investor. Secure one before your main media push. Another pro tip: don't announce your seed raise in a vacuum. Time it with a product milestone to show tangible progress. While FOMO creates urgency, trust closes the deal. A simple chart showing how you'll use the funds builds immense trust and help them dismantle this myth. You don't need a totally new idea. Better execution for an existing problem is very attractive. These are solid, proven moves. But to win in 2026, you need to understand the nuances and surprising strategies. We asked about the most powerful emotion. While FOMO is the engine, the secret ingredient is authenticity from unpolished content. And here's a counterintuitive truth. More media is not always better. For early startups, too much press can be harmful. Why? It locks you into a public story. This can make the team rigid and afraid to make needed pivots because of the hype. So instead of chasing volume, chase authenticity. Tactic to 1. Use raw personal content in short ads. It feels more real. Tactic sobre 2. Let your customers write your copy. Use their direct quotes from reviews as your headlines for genuine social proof. Let's connect the dots. We saw the founder's brand drives investor decisions. We just learned raw content outperforms slick ads. The synthesis is clear. The founder's authentic, personal voice, shared through media, is your most powerful fundraising asset. This is why the biggest PR mistake is only talking to media when you need them. You must build genuine relationships beforehand. So the goal isn't just getting press. It's building an authentic founder brand that uses investor psychology. Are you aligned? To put it simply, media outreach for seed funding has evolved. It's no longer a numbers game. It's a game of strategic authenticity. Keep these keys in mind. 1. Your personal brand is your greatest asset. 2. Use investor psychology like FOMO. 3. Be authentic. And through it all, speak plainly. Avoid jargon and empty claims. Clear, confident communication earns trust. The time to build your narrative is now, not 3 weeks before your round opens. Start telling your story and attract investors.